What's up, Chooch? What's up, Great Lake? What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, Wang J? What's up, Damon? I'm good, brother. I'm good. Everything's good. Bias, give it a sec. Give it a sec. No rush. Just got here. What's up, Harito? Primarily going to be looking for long. So I'm still bullish. Higher time frame. On the greater scheme of things, right? I've been bullish since I've seen this candle on Wednesday. So Thursday, longs did not play out, but Friday and Tuesday, and maybe today they would have. So, do I expect a clean up move until the buy side? I'm not too sure, but I definitely think eventually we'll reach these buy stops here. Or you know what? We were looking at this level actually. Just realized. So maybe we could look for lower. I don't know if we're gonna continue. Onion low is clean, yeah. We reverse. The thing is, I'm eating just guacamole with some like toast, tomatoes. Trying to finish this ASAP, to be honest. The thing is, I don't know. I think we still might be bullish. I think we might still be bullish. Like on the grand scheme of things. Maybe today we can see it move lower. But I think we might still reach for maybe even all-time highs on the S&P. But these highs on the S&P look too clean. And order flow has been really bullish. I don't think we're going to flip the weekly candle. So I think this will most likely continue. But for now, yeah, I won't look for any longs unless we take out some sell side. We're in a deep premium. Yeah, what's up, Nova? How long I've been trading? Like, when did I start my journey? I started learning. Look at this huge gap. I started learning. Why is this lagging? I'm gonna restart my trading view. I started learning about 16 months ago. What's up, Mubashir? My opinion on Bitcoin USD on the 1 hour? Sure. Let's take a look just because we're here already. I mean, these lows look clean, but oh shit, we took all-time highs the other day? Yeah, I mean, it looks like we might get a move lower. Maybe taking out some sell side here. Not today, but in the grand scheme of things. Our Euro JPY trade is doing pretty good. That's our TP. What's up, Connected? What's up, Tweety Pie? What's your daily bias? I still think the daily draw is higher. Currently, we are trading into a premium. Currently, we are trading in a premium, so I'm not really too interested in looking for a long right now, even though my daily bias is bullish. So we might have to look for some intraday objectives or some intraday, an intraday drawn liquidity. Short, I wouldn't mind taking a short. And when did you turn profitable? I don't know. I don't know how to answer that question. I don't make consistent payouts with prop firms. I've gotten 3 payouts so far on my journey. Most of them were in the first 3 quarters of my journey. I haven't gotten one since. So I don't know. I'll answer that question. ES 50-minute VPR could train to deliver a higher price. Yeah, that's possible. I mean, I definitely want to see some sell side taken. Are you related to Ali Gaddy? Yeah, that's my brother. I really like these lows. That's just a little bit too clean. Right at midnight open. I'll probably look for this as a potential drawn liquidity. Might be one of those days where pre-market short is already set up, and then if we do something like this, maybe going into 9:30, we can look for a short. But these equal lows are really clean. So we'll mark them up. Yeah, that's my brother. Sal Noor. Yeah, we'll just see if we can get a discount on the day, and then is bro actually your brother? Yeah, bro. He actually is. Yeah, I like that. I like this. I would want to short until this green line, but I'd want to short until this green line. But if not, then I don't mind looking for a potential long after we take out the sell side. Nice haircut. Appreciate you, bro. Ain't no way. Nah, for real, bro. So these red and blue zones refers to the session that had passed. So this is Asia session in the blue box from 20 to midnight. And this is London session from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. I want to see how Asia and London were trading. It'll help me frame a narrative in the New York AM session. What's for breakfast? Just guacamole toast and some tomato slices. I'm trying to eat this quick so I can focus. I don't mind shorting, but I want to look for shorts past this green line. I like the 15-minute BISI there. That's small. I like the equal lows. There's a BISI there on ES. I would short until that level. Is your model the H4 PO3? Yeah. Also the daily power 3, depending on how it forms on that day. What is a BISI? BISI is a bullish fair value gap. Well, it's a buy side imbalance, but primarily the same thing. I'm in a swing trade on Euro. I entered something like, I don't know, something like this. I don't know, somewhere in this week I entered. So that's a swing trade. It'll be a couple days. What's your brother's YouTube? Ali Gatie. You want to learn one-on-one? 30 leverage? I don't know what the leverage was. I took, I think, like half a lot. Yeah, I'm swing trading on a prop firm. I used to do it on a live forex account, but I haven't touched that thing in a while. I don't really have time to teach you one-on-one, brother. I gotta focus on my own shit, you know? He is a singer, yeah. Which prop for forex? I'm using funded by traders. You didn't miss much, bro. Price pretty much went sideways for like an hour and then eventually hit TP in like PM, in like lunch. Where can I learn your model? If you want to learn my model, it's on YouTube. It's all there. Everything in my, I mean, not everything, but enough for you to have a trading model. Higher time frame, Toffee, yeah. What's your name on YouTube? GatieTrades. Same as TikTok. Go lower to go higher? Yeah, I agree. But that doesn't necessarily need to happen today. But also, what is this gap? Is this an earnings gap or what's going on? Because I don't see it. Oh, it's here. It's a huge new day opening gap. Good trade into that. What am I looking for downwards? Low hanging fruit objective is these equal lows right here. Alright. Finish the sandwich. We can lock in. I'm gonna have to clean my room after this live stream. Daily bearish SMT. What makes you think that SMT is gonna hold? Yeah, I wouldn't mind something like this. For example, I would take that short as a classic model. It would meet my criteria for a short using that model that I have. Yeah, midnight open looks really nice. I mean, we do have manipulation below midnight open, but I'm not worried about bearish SMT. But like I said, we don't need to get here today. It doesn't even have to be this week. Just because I think this is the draw on liquidity doesn't mean every single day is going to be green, you know? We've already had 3 green days. Last time we had 4 green days was a long time ago, all the way in November. And even then, 2 of them were pretty much sideways. 3. So last time we had like 4 clean green days in a row, pretty much never, August. So use that to use that information. So use that information how you like. In November. Yeah, but I don't really count like this is a sideways day. Like this is not a green day. So it's 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't qualify that. I mean, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I guess you could say this small. Expect today not to be large expansion is what I'm saying. I'm just saying, don't necessarily expect a large expansion. Okay, it's 9:30. Let's drop down to the 1-minute chart. I think we just touched the 15-minute Cibi. So let's just call it this fair value gap for simplicity's sake. Short it. I'd have to wait for a CISD. Yeah, it's not even good risk reward. It's nothing here shortable for me. I want to short it to the discount equal lows as a low-hanging fruit objective. And then you have obviously New Day opening gap, London lows, potentially. Okay, looks like we're going to put an S&P above us. Looks like a clean 930 PO3. Honey, you trading today, bro? What stock is this? This is NASDAQ. So, I'm going to start focusing on the charts, guys. I don't want the chat to distract me as much. So we're going to go back to continuously doing that. Yeah, so I'm just going to focus on this. So wow, I was taking out the buy side right there. Very aggressive candle. So if I miss your question, yeah, it's funny. Is that shorted? That's funny. Yeah, it's crazy work. It's crazy work. What's your bias today? You know what? Just gonna have to wait and see. My intraday bias, I think we can move lower, but after seeing that candle at 931, we'll have to see. I'll tell you one thing is I'm not interested in chasing this long, deep premium all day. So I won't chase this long, I'll tell you that much. This is insane volatility from the NASDAQ right now. On this old New Day opening gap. Or a daily volume imbalance, call it. Look at ES. What's going on here, man? Look at ES. Don't chase it. I'm definitely not going to chase it. Hopefully Euro. Okay. I was hoping Euro JPY would be seeing some sort of shorts. Listen, I'm going to say my bias one more time. I think the daily draw is higher. I'm not going to lie. I did not expect it to be reached today because of how much we've already expanded. But I'm still going to bullish on the daily chart. The same thing I've been saying since Wednesday, January 15th. As soon as we got that inversion and taking sell side, I expected price to reach buy side. So we have buy side here, we have buy side here. ES looks really bullish. It looks like it might reach for all-time highs. So that's my bias. I'm not saying every single day is going to be an up-close day, but that's where I think the daily chart is drawing towards. So I'm going to go keep that in mind every day that I'm going to trade. So if I see discount pricing and we take out sell side liquidity from the market, that might be a good candidate to look for that narrative, right? But if we're deep in premium, took out all the buy side intraday, that's not a good narrative. That's not a good candidate for that narrative, right? That's not what I'm looking for. So definitely some very nice I'm gonna say nice, but some pretty serious volatility here on the open. This is your first presentation, fair value gap. So, no, I don't trade news. I've held swing trades through news, but I don't trade news. So, we'll have to see. It did just happen, but I'm not. I'm not taking any longs. Now reversal. You mean like continuation? Time are you trading? I did want to see sell side get taken too. No, just wait. I mean, it's only been 5 minutes. I would not trust this imbalance. For one, very deep premium. Two, we already swept buy side intraday. Three, look at ES. What the hell is ES doing? It does not look ready to go higher whatsoever. This is just volatility because it's NASDAQ. It's just volatility because it's NASDAQ. Can it go higher? Yeah. Would I trust this? Hell no. Hell no, I would not long this fair value gap. Not in a million years. Not after taking buy side, being in a deep premium all day. ES is going sideways. I would never long this fair value gap. Even if I wanted to, I'd be breaking rules. There's no model here for me. We just went up at 9:30 and then formed fair value gap. That's not model. Strong wick so far. So this black box is your daily volume imbalance over here. That could be a potential draw for now. What do I want to see? I want to see us trade below this buy side liquidity pool and give some sort of inversion for this classic model short. Say we get an inversion here and a bearish fair value gap or something like that. We just let this volatility go through. What is your chart colors? My chart background is E9, E9, E9. My symbols is the second white from the left and the fifth white from the left. I'm bearish trying to short. Is gold more volatile? Nah, probably not. Gold moves pretty slowly. Just look at it. I couldn't stare at this shit. Personally, I just couldn't. Bearish SMT, yeah, that's interesting. Say we get a bearish fair value gap here with like this market structure shift. It would also be an inversion. Yeah, I would short that. That'd be a good short candidate for me. Arc Ventures, no. But you know what? Our stock positions are doing really good. AMD, Nvidia, I got up another 3%. I should have bought more Nvidia, but we also bought some Apple. Let me add Disney to the list. How's Disney doing? Nothing. AMD sideways, but our stock positions are doing really good. You also bullish, Sosa? No, I'm bullish higher time frame, but right now I'm looking for a short. I'm not gonna long from this, so I think we can get a short. Target some sell side. Narrative being we're in deep premium. We already swept buy side. Higher time frame. Yeah, I think we can maybe reach for this and this. But I'm not interested in taking any longs from all the way up here, man. That like just me personally, it's literally longing high of day. Not interested. Today also might not be a large daily candle. Like this could be your high of day. This literally could be. So, what do you use for your stock positions? I'm curious. First time I've ever heard about it. Hope you get a win today. Thanks, bro. Love you, man. What is ES doing? Listen, today is not likely to be an expansive day. So You know what? Any trade we might take might be under our seek and destroy profile. What about gold? Why no expansion today? Because we've already expanded the last 3 days aggressively higher, and we've taken out buy side on the daily chart. It makes sense today for potentially to be a sideways day. There's also no red folder, and there's red folder tomorrow. Yeah, I think eventually we'll reach previous month high as well, but doesn't mean today is going to be upside expansion, right? Where's Miso? No idea, bro. You tell me. I can message him now. He's a good friend. See what he's up, see what he's been up to. I should probably check in. I haven't checked in a while. I've been kind of busy on my own shit. It's so close. It's not as close as you think, bro. It just looks close. It's still 500 points, so that could be like, yeah, by the end of the week, maybe. But I wouldn't expect too much range today. I want to see like 100%. Yeah, that'd be great for us, bro, because we enter positions on AMD, and so someone said, where do I trade stocks? I trade on interactive brokers. So, um, can I get banned for showing my like portfolio? Is that like a thing? So I enter on interactive brokers. I don't know if you can see that. So I own some. I just recently bought AMD, Nvidia. I got pretty good fills on those, and then Disney and Apple as well. Starting to wish I bought more Nvidia because it's definitely leading my position. I'm up um decent percentage. Decent percentage. I'm looking to sell like pretty high though. Might hold this. I invest on IBK. Yeah, me too. On TikTok, maybe. Yeah, whatever. Okay, still waiting for the same thing. So let's go back and focusing on the charts. I would not use anything here as a bearish breaker. There's no bearish breaker here. Can we short this IFEG? I'm gonna go back to focusing, and you guys can hear what I'm personally thinking. What is my bias? My daily. I'm gonna be trading against my daily bias today. My daily bias, not for today, but my daily bias. I think our drawn liquidity. It's the last time I'm gonna say this is higher. I think we can reach for this imbalance and this buy stops and maybe even all-time highs. Probably more so on ES. ES being really close to all-time highs, and there's like this nice consolidation. That's my draw. Do I think today is gonna expand higher? Not really so much. I'm primarily looking for shorts today. I have an intraday bias lower. Looking for discount pricing. Maybe the new day opening gap. That's fat. I don't like that longs have been primarily profitable the entire day. I don't think that's efficient. Usually we see some run on sell side. So I'm going to be looking for a short. Did you trade PM session? No. So we're going to wait and see. If it expands here, am I going to take it? No. I don't want a long premium. Everyone is going to be longing this premium. I don't want to long this premium. If it goes without me, it goes without me. But I'm not going to long it from all the way up here. There's absolutely no way. But if it does go, I'd expect it to reach to this imbalance and then maybe those buy stops. Doesn't mean I'm going to take it though. Unless we take out sell side. Gray box is a daily volume imbalance. This is after 9:30. This is 9:30, 9:31, 9:32. So if you go to regular trading hours, you'll see the imbalance there. So this is your first presentation. 9:30 candle counts. Yeah, just can't start before. But nothing for now. Prices are going sideways, right? We don't want to be trading no consolidation. So we'll wait for a macro. Maybe we see something. What would I want to see? We've already taken out buy side. We're accumulating now. If we can maybe say take out this short-term high and then get displacement lower, that could be a nice short candidate because we'd be inversing the first presentation. We'd have a market structure shift. Buy side's already taken. Have you ever full ported? Yes. There's 9 a.m. PSP. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, that's what you're looking for. That's good. How are your lines straight? You have to click shift. So say I draw the line like this. As soon as I click shift, it'll just go straight right away. Okay, we have an SMT right here. Nasdaq's leading. If we get a market structure shift lower now, that'd be really good. I would love to see that right, like literally right now. That would be a really nice candidate. Unlucky. Gotta wait. Bias short. No. I'm going against my bias. I'll be trading. I'm not looking for any longs right now. Weekly P&L? No idea, but it's definitely in the negatives. Maybe like this week. I think minus 300 this week. We took. Wait, we didn't trade Monday. Oh, we're just minus 95 this week. Minus $95 this week. I want to see this inverse. I want to see this candle flip bearish. Nice. See if it can continue. Make sure we're signed in here. I'm not going to read too much into this 1 minute price action, but let's see if we can get an inversion here and displacement lower. The macro's coming up. I might hold for London lows, maybe a runner. No signs of bearish order flow whatsoever. If we can take out this high. I'd want to see another inducement higher. I want to see another inducement higher and then an aggressive displacement lower. Then we can take 930 POT reversal and it would be like a breaker here or the CISD here. My ragwort for short is open. I don't know what that means, bro, but hopefully it works out for you, brother. Let's see if we can take out the buy side. So like, for example, say we take out the buy side here and then we get this CISD. That would be a nice shorting opportunity because it'll be an SMT, it'll be inside the macro, it'll be another inducement. And if this just goes higher, probably nothing for us today then. Not gonna chase it. It doesn't need to take out the buy side, but I would prefer it. I would prefer it to. Good morning, brother. What am I looking for? Shorts. I'm not interested in taking. I'm bullish on the higher time frame, but I will not be longing this market. It's too deep in premium. I think it's possible. Like, I'm looking for signatures that it wants to seek a discount market. It's too premium. It's too expensive right now. So I'm not interested in taking any longs. Do I think it can go higher? Possibly. Am I gonna look for longs? No. I will not be taking longs, especially not if we took sell side. So let's just see, you know? That's it. If it gives us displacement lower, shows us that it might seek a discount, gives us bearish order flow, fine, then we might have a short. If not, then looks like it'll just continue its higher time frame draw and it won't really give us an entry, and that's okay. Yeah, well, all time high. I think eventually we'll get there, but not right now. Yes, is a lot closer than Nasdaq. But why not? I want to see the CASD. I want to see this move lower, and I want it to be aggressive. Yeah, sure, Quala, sure. But if you took a long, not the worst, but you would have had to make the argument that this low is your protected low for 930. So your protraction model long. Assuming you're trading my models. I'm gonna guess you long this fair value gap. You dumb down what SMT means. I can always have it. Recognize it. It's a core. I'll show you if it forms. Yeah, it's not bad, Koala. It's not bad. It's not bad. SMT is like a crack in correlation. So if one asset makes a higher high and the correlated asset does not make a higher high, that's an SMT. Nice, Koala. Gray box is a daily volume imbalance. Koala, the only thing about that trade, so it's justifiable to be a protraction model. I mean, not really, because it's outside the macro, but yeah, really, nah, there's really no way. There's no real way you can say this is your protected low. Maybe there was SMT there, but there isn't. So maybe it's like your own model type stuff, but not one of my models. Definitely not one of my models. Although not hitting on anybody today. Yes, sir. Previous week high loading. We've already taken previous week high, but yeah, we can take previous month high, maybe previous week high. I wouldn't look for this CISD. I'd want to see it displaced lower. So I'd use like the 2-minute. The 1-minute is not so clean. The 2-minute is a lot more clean for me. So I'm going to keep my CISD marking right there. Make sense? Right? Appreciate you, Diego. So we'll see ES take out the buy stops here, and then maybe we can move lower. That'll pretty much be our like final chance for lower prices. Yeah, there's no clean chart with inefficiencies. Bear say. No, I'm not bearish today. Trading to the high of that daily volume imbalance. Also taking out the buy side on ES. Oh, hate towards me. Oh, no hate towards Koala. From me? 10 a.m. reversal? Maybe. Possible. For now, we just wait. What's up, CRT? Koala, that makes sense, right? Like, think about it. Think about it. You just hop on the charts. You're a brand new trader. You're like, holy shit, man. It's just bare fucking. But 9:30 comes, buy. Most times, it's gonna go against those kind of people. Breakout traders or buying above bell side, buying above buy side. Any dubs today? Not taking any trades. I'm gonna give this an opportunity to displace lower. My purple box color. It's this purple, 13% opacity. Yeah, daily box. It's a daily. It's a daily volume imbalance, not a gap. Maybe SMT here. Yeah, it's not a bad long for a scalp. It's not a bad long, and the missing pieces. Nah, there's no missing pieces, bro. There's no video that's gonna save anyone. The missing piece is all the work that needs to be put in for you to become good. That's the missing piece. How's Euro JPY? Hey, this is going, man. Yeah, this might hit TP. This might hit TP. I'm in long on Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY. I entered on Tuesday, or was it Monday? I entered on Monday, man. This is. I entered on Monday Asia session. I think I entered like here. I entered Monday Asia session. Buys for today. I'm still bullish on the higher time frame, but I will not be taking any longs today. Yeah, I don't mind. You want to go for all-time highs? Go for all-time highs. It's all good. This looks like one of those unexpected stupid bullish days where people get hurt trying to short. Yeah, the fuck shorts model, yeah. Been there, that's for sure. Been there. I'm just gonna wait and see if I want to see if ES trades below the buy side. That's what I'm looking at right now. So this old buy side, I want to see if we can come back below it. Right now we're trading above that liquidity pool. I want to see if we get that turn. Everyone who shorted 9:30 open got cooked. Yeah, for real. For real. We formed a 15. Yeah, I'm not. Still not gonna look for longs. Look at crude oil. Okay, previous stay low. Looks like pretty nice objective. 15-minute chart. Doesn't really look shortable. 9:30 open. Consolidated. We didn't take the buy side. Let's look at gold futures. I'd expect Seek and Destroy today on gold. Yeah, makes sense. Equal lows though. Mm, maybe. I'm not long because we're in premium. Exactly, bro. Exactly. If we can tap this before taking out sell side, there's no point in chasing this. Just curious. Will you trade tomorrow because there's Trump speaking? Um, Good question. The only time I've ever messed around with this was when President Biden was speaking. And what did I don't really remember what happened. I remember Biden was speaking. I think it was 2023. Or was it 2024? I'm not sure. Um, I don't think it changed much. It's at 11, but what could happen is we get very seek and destroy conditions until 11, you know? Possible. Like, they can definitely use that. I don't know how I'm going to short this. It's really bullish. You know, realistically, I'm probably not going to find something unless we get really aggressive displacement lower. The gray box is this volume imbalance right here. Yeah, no, I don't know how I'm gonna short this. You're right. Am I not worried? Yeah, I'm definitely worried because order flow is really bullish. Hasn't given any signs that it wants to go lower. Um, I'm not even viewing this as inducement anymore. I'm just viewing this as like fuck shorts. Fuck shorts day. Like this, we haven't taken out sell side all day. Oh shit, man. What is this market, bro? Yeah, I might not want to touch this. That's aggressive. That's aggressive. Anyways, still, I want to see a closure below the buy side. We touch something? 5 minute? They say I want aggressive, yeah, but that's just one candle and it's starting to wake, so I have to see it really. I'd have to see it really go lower, you know, like this, and I would trade this. Take care, well, appreciate you coming through. Rejected M15 FEG. I wouldn't chase that 15-minute fair value gap, brother. I personally wouldn't. That's just me. Obviously, you don't need to take my advice. Bro, stressing and waiting hours just to make 200. How am I stressing? I feel like I'm so calm right now. Looking for buy or sell. I'm looking for it to show me it can go lower. Not interested in taking any longs today. Any tips on how to grow a beard? Don't shave it. I heard what was it called? Minoxidil or something. Something minoxidil or something. It actually helped hair growth a little bit. I think it actually works. But just don't shave it. Let it grow out. Don't touch it. And see. You just gotta see, you know. That aggressive move down stopped me right on the dime on the 5-minute inversion high. That's so annoying, bro. That's it. Minoxidil, yeah, that's what it is. Higher time frame, lower time frame, SMT bears. Yeah, sure, buddy, sure. I feel like I've talked about so much. I'm only funded 50K right now. I have a dream. I feel like I've talked about so much how you can't let SMT frame your bias. Bro, 1,000 SMTs form, bro, every day, man. Doesn't mean it's gonna go down. SMT is only a confirmation tool. Why should it go down? Why should the SMT? It's just laggy, you know. If one is asset just lagging, doesn't mean it's gonna reverse. My bias today, I'm bullish, but I will not be taking any longs. Not interested in taking any longs. See if we can displace below this low. Missed that imbalance you marked out in the gray. Yeah, it's a good objective. This daily volume imbalance. I've also marked out this rejection block. So this line right here. So you're gonna take short. If it shows me that it's going to go lower, it hasn't done that at all. Um, it hasn't done that at all. So I don't know if it's going to. You know, how do you mark OBs? The correct way, the only way. Without a fair value gap, there's no OB. Without a liquidity sweep, there's no OB. It's only protraction, Koala, if you believe that this low is not going to be taken. It's not every single retracement you look for continuation. It's only if there's a protected low. So if you say, you know what, I really don't think we're going to take this low because, and it makes sense, then you're absolutely, as soon as this retraces, if it goes higher, then you can look for a protraction. But look at the criteria. You also need to have a clear drawn liquidity. You also need to believe that it's going to expand. Do you believe that this is going to expand higher? Or do you think it might just go sideways or it might just fall back into the range? Those are your criteria for a protraction. It's not just, oh, retracement long. You guys just got to look at the steps, Koala. You just got to look at the criteria. If it's check, 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 then you can. Just long and inshallah. How do you trade all-time highs? Stay bullish. All I know is AMD's up 1.6%. What the fuck's Apple, man? Why is it so shit? Step it up, buddy. You're throwing off my portfolio. 10 a.m. PO3 for short? I don't know. Quella, you already took a winning trade, no? Why don't you just walk away, bro? I doubt you'll find something better than what you took already, to be honest. No trade for me. Hey, do you have anything complaining BPRs? A BPR is a balanced price range. So there's two ways it can form. It can form as an inefficiency completely getting closed in and then leaving the range, leaving behind a balanced price range. It can also form in a range where there's no inefficiencies. So let's call it this consolidation. There's an inefficiency here, but we traded through and left. This is all balanced. This is a balanced price range. There is no inefficiency. It's all overlapping price action. This is a balanced price range. So that's one thing. Price, you should see price have difficulty going through a balanced price range because if price is gonna go higher, what the hell is it coming down to a balanced price range for, right? Doesn't make sense. It's all balanced here. There's no reason to trade here. It's all efficient delivery. What's up, Tommy? Said broke through resistance, retested it. Now I'm long. Hey man, I hope you become the world's best support and resistance trader. And I hope it works out for you. I personally don't trade that, but you can be number one, top of the world, bro. I believe. ES got a breaker. Bullish breakers don't form in premium. BPR is same as inversions. A little bit different classifications. Inversion is just an inverted fair value gap, right? Just gauging order flow. So if you have a bearish fair value gap, it gets inverse, goes long, right? Showing signs of bullish order flow. A BPR is slightly different. It's just a range of price. So a range of price where there's no inefficiency. So you can see that form with your classic inversion where it's like a sharp inversion. So like right here, for example, right? Because this happens so immediate, like it just is a very, like this is a good example right here. So this inversion, you can see how that was used immediately. Talk to so lucky, I feel bad for him. Why? What happened to what happened to him? Proud of you, Koala, for what you just sent me. Would you take this short if we go down now? I'd have to see displacement below this low. Appreciate the explanation. Got you, brother. Price should shifted high in the moment. Return on breaker. There's no bullish, guys. Bullish breakers do not form in premium. We're already bullish. What price action are we breaking? I mean, yeah, in this little context right here, but in my opinion, it doesn't really make sense. I mean, just think about it. Like, would you ever like, oh, breaker? Like, how does that make sense? Look at price action. What? Think it can go higher? Yeah, but I don't know. That's just me. I don't know. I've never heard ICT say it. Your bullish breaker on the 1 minute just looks like a 3 minute OB. What's your criteria for 4 minute OB? Either takes out liquidity or trades into an imbalance. So in this case, your 3 minute looks really clean actually. See this 3 minute order block? Trades into the imbalance, comes back up. We trade above it. Opening price. Opening price close above confirms the order block. If you look back into that move, this is where it started. So that's your OB. This is your daily rejection block level 22110. No one praised him. He's just good. I mean, he helped me a lot, so I don't praise him, but he's good. Yeah, I think he's good. Gold. What about gold? Amazon pumping. Nvidia is pumping. I don't own any Amazon, but Nvidia's up 4%. I do own some Nvidia I bought recently, so I guess Nvidia's gonna carry our portfolio. I am up $100 on my live on Nvidia. 10% of my portfolio. I should have bought more. I guess it's all hindsight now, though. It's all hindsight. CISD is the formation of the order block. When the CISD occurs, you have your activity macro will play out. Yeah, I'm sure the macro will do something, but lower? I don't know. I don't know. I personally think I want to stay away here. I feel like if I engage in this market, I will take a loss. You know? Unless we get, like I said, displacement through this low, 10-15. I mean, we just took the buy side though, so I'll give it a chance now. The fact that we just took out that buy side, if we do get that displacement, today not an ICD day. I don't think it's very algorithmic delivery. It looks very manipulated. You can even just tell by these candles, like 931 and 1001 or 1002. Like, I don't know if you guys were there when they were forming, but it literally went like, and then just came back up. Need to see significant displacement lower. And if not, I'll probably just leave the charts because I don't want to sit here and look for something and then take something I'm going to regret later on. It looks like this might just keep grinding up all day. At some point, we'll start going sideways. Any trades? Not today. Like, I'm sure we'll get a move lower at some point, but I'm not going to sit here and wait for it. I'll probably get faked out a couple times. 80 points away. 80 points is more than you think, considering the daily range. But yeah, looks like it's not for today. 100% Yoshi. 100%. I mean, there's some inefficiencies in this market. It's not too bad. It's there. You just have to look for the time frame that they're clean on. For example, 3-minute doesn't look too bad. Bullish inefficiency here, inefficiency there. Same on the 5-minute, doesn't look too bad. The 1-minute's pretty, you know, it's definitely there. But I mean, it's just super premium. Not interested in longs. So I think we'll probably call it there. I don't want to make any bad mistakes. Not every trading day is a trade day. I might just go back test. I don't want to trade this premium. What's up, Dave? I think we'll do some back test. I don't know, should I do it on live stream or you didn't take a long because of buy side? I didn't take a long because we're in a deep premium. We have not taken any sell side. We already swept buy side in like the first 2-3 minutes. So if this wants to just grind up higher, it is what it is. I'm not gonna find my model today. You're long yesterday, would you still be holding? No, I would have been exited at PM session. The long yesterday, my drawn liquidity was here as low-hanging fruit. Well, actually, it was the buy side in London. So it would have been these equal highs. This would have been like my final objective. So if I was in this long, let's say the long I took, I didn't get stopped out before it went higher. I would have, yeah, I would have sat here till 1 p.m. probably if I saw it going. I've done that multiple times before, so I wouldn't have held it overnight. Definitely not. Definitely not overnight. Exactly. DOL is pretty obvious, but it's too high, so we'll definitely get there. Yeah, looks like we just hit the rejection block almost. What are the time for the sessions? I'm going to show you right now, brother. The sessions. This is for the sessions. It's okay. The sessions, it's 9:30 to 12 for New York AM. I only mark out 11. I just mark out 12, make it correct. It's 9:30 to 12. Got you, brother. We're almost at that daily rejection block. Feel that body high. And we are almost at, how's Euro? Euro JPY is looking pretty good, man. I think this will eventually take out the full buy side. Looks like a good trade. That's what I am doing today. See, YN looks a little bit better, man. It came into this imbalance. You got the breaker. Nice touch on the fair value gap. You have relative equal highs. You know it's going to take those highs. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we backtest? Should I just end stream? Should I backtest on stream? Or should I play chess on stream? Backtest, 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 backtest. Play Rocket League on stream. All three, same time. Backtest. Just chill. Play me in chess. chest. Wait for trade. I'm not trading this. I don't want to sit on the charts and take a trade. I don't even want to be, like, what's it called? Influenced. It's not clean. Gonna come back another day. I gotta learn to do that more. I should do that more often. I should do that more often. Start working out chest on stream. Guys, I didn't say workout chest. I'm not interested, guys. I'm not interested. I really don't want to take this. If we reject, it'd be rejecting from the middle of nowhere. I'm not gonna trade the first 1 minute CISD I see. It's not happening. Nope. I'd rather just let this go, come back another day. Why did Nas buy today? It's a very manipulative time in the market when a new president comes. I wouldn't trust it talking. I'm bullish higher time frame. So where do I think it's gonna go? Right? Do I think it's gonna reverse? Do I think 930 low is gonna get taken? Nah. If it was going to go lower today, it would have already went lower, most likely. No, it's not always just wacky. It's just a bad time. Yeah, because I got violated. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. That's what it will do today. What do you think about the Elon Musk Roman salute? I think that was pretty cool, bro. Market's always manipulative. Yeah, it's always manipulated for sure. I think now is a good time for it to be. Someone's playing Rocket League on stream. I think now is a really good time for it to be manipulated. You know. Take care, Yoshi. So I'm not interested in this. Right, this is probably your daily range. This is probably your daily range. It's not the type of trade I'm looking for. We've expanded 228 points. Although the daily range is still not, the average daily range is still not met. I'm not really interested in this. What's your opinion trading using signals, like from a person? I don't know. If you want to do that, that's not the worst thing. But I personally am too stubborn to believe anyone else over myself. This is Nasdaq. Short it? No, I'm not gonna chase this. I do think we'll go lower at some point, but this is not the market I want to trade, guys. It's not the market I want to trade. I have not taken a trade today. I don't think I'll take a trade today. Maybe I'll look in the PM session. Practice scalping? I'm not really a scalper. Did I buy any stock today? No. I would have bought more. I might buy some more Apple if it goes lower, say 220 maybe. But I'm not gonna buy more Nvidia. I won't buy more AMD unless it dumps. Yeah, like the only one I can really scale in is Disney or Apple now. So I know myself, guys. And if I take a trade today, the blue line is just something I think it can reach for. Yeah, PM session is not bad, depending. I know myself. If I take a trade today, I will not be happy. I won't be happy with the trade. It's not gonna be a good trade. What model would I be trading? 930 PO3 reversal? Nah. Nah. There's no clear drawn liquidity for me lower. I don't even know where we go. Jacuzzi? Smart trader? I need to do this more. Yeah, London looks better, but we actually took out some sell side. You think we should have weekly high? Yeah, I do think so. I think ES will reach all-time highs. We'll have breakfast. My girl's at work, bro. I've already eaten breakfast. I think we'll just do some backtesting. Honestly, my last backtesting. Auto price label. That? What stock is ES? S&P? Trade S&P, same thing. Can you explain why you won't trade? I'm bullish on the higher time frame. We're in a deep premium. Already taken objectives that I was looking for. That's pretty much it. That's 2 reasons. That's all you need, really. I'm bullish. So I don't want to be trading a short, not like this. Just use auto. What's auto? Explain in TikTok terms. Price no good. Like, I don't know, bro. Man, what the fuck, man? Let me say some dumb shit. It's deep premium. Like, it's too expensive. I want to go long, but it's too expensive. If we come down and like it goes into a, let's just say cheap, I'm not gonna like it because we've already expanded too much. It's like, how do you explain it in like super easy terms? Price has no risk, bro. Exactly. It's funny, bro. It already moved too much. Price no good. It already moved too much. We could come down there exactly equal lows at 7 a.m. Yeah, we could, man. We could, maybe, but I don't want to engage with this. Although I will say the 30-minute chart looks pretty clean for a potential continuation. Maybe it's something we can tape read. Because that's your 30-minute imbalance. Would it be in discount of this range? There's just really no clear drawn liquidity lower. Only way I'll take a trade if we come down and sweep some lows. Yeah, I'm looking at this 30-minute fair value gap. When do we get the money? When you do this long enough. I don't think I'll trade it, but something like this would be nice. I'm not saying I think it's gonna form. I'm saying if it forms, I think it could be nice. Just to make that clear. Fraction model 1030 PO3. We can see. Use auto. Bro, what auto, bro? Where's auto, man? This? Auto fits data to screen? I don't like this. I want it to be like here. Price no good. What indicator do you use? I use this one that marks out GatieTrades. And I use this one. It marks out the opening price for me. Just saves me some time. This one also marks out the sessions, Asia and London. Man see price good, man short. I wouldn't short. Wouldn't short this anymore. I don't think 930 low can get taken anymore. But no short. Anymore? Yeah, why is that so funny, bro? Told you, bruh. Nice, bro. Short? Nah, I won't be shorting today anymore. No way. You were trying to short this past hour. Yeah, no, it's so funny, bro. That's such a funny comment. Are you thinking about your tomorrow setup? Big day tomorrow? Tomorrow? Do you still journal on Notion? No, not anymore. I used to for one purpose, but now that TradeZella implemented that new feature, now that you can backtest every single trade, like let me show you guys something, man. It's just freaking amazing. I was fucking having so much fun in backtest, like freaking nerd. I don't even have a course, bro. Anyways, let's just ban this guy. Annoying. All right. All right, so, bro, on TradeZella now, if you take a trade, yeah, let me tell you why I think it's better now. I mean, it was in my opinion, it's always better, but after this feature, um, look, so you can take a trade, and if you go to journal, in your backtest, you can look at the trade and just say like exactly what happened. You can put in the model, it'll automatically journal every single one of your trades for you, bro. Like, bro, that shit's just amazing. Like to me, that's amazing because what I used to do is take the trade, take a screenshot, put it into Notion, write out everything automatically. But now, literally, all I have to do is click journal, go to trade, click here, playbook, see if I follow the model rules, and then put notes like whatever, good trade, nice macro, or whatever. Like put whatever you want, and it'll automatically journal for you, bro. Like that shit saves me so much time, and it gives you obviously all the data on your backtest. So it just gives you it saves so much time. Like I'm gonna be able to backtest so much faster now. So, anyways, got excited there. Like to me, it just saves so much time. So yeah, I heard toxic. I heard. So I heard. On a note though, I think we'll probably close the charts here. I don't want to chase this. Don't want to chase this. How often do you backtest, bro? Now every day. I don't usually do it every day, but now every day. Bro, what's auto? I don't know what auto is. I backtest every day because I'm on a losing streak and I use it to gain confidence in myself. Have you tried Top Step? Yes, I use Top Step. You should have Top Step open the entire time we're trading. Autofill price data on chart. Where is that option, bro? Hey G, you have a good day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, bro. I'll backtest like one day. You also have trade replay where you can like put in a trade and then it'll automatically like it's just cool, bro. It's just cool. Shit. Trade yellow is a W, bro. For brokerage recommend I would just use Top Step X. Billy. Better than FX replay? In my opinion, yeah, for sure. There's just so many reasons because obviously the journaling software is a lot better. You can't journal like this in FX replay. You can journal all your trades. You can have a playbook. Toxic. The same thing would have happened on my fund and futures, bro. So you get the journal aspect and you get the backtesting aspect. But what's cool about it with the backtesting is you can journal your trades in the middle of the backtest. Yeah, toxic. I don't know. It would happen. The same thing would have happened on. You just left the limit order, bro. You left the limit order. Are you using market profile? No. No. Why do you trade? How did you get into it? The goal is freedom, I guess. One day. Anyways, I'll backtest one day. This is Thursday. I stopped backtesting on a Thursday. Okay, Thursday, January 18th. Last trade I took was Thursday, January 17th. I'll backtest 2 days and then we'll go. I've been bullish all this time in my backtest. I've been primarily looking for longs. You locked up? Like I have a girl? Yeah, I do have a girl. Yes. When are you posting your playbook? I already did, bro. It's on YouTube. My entire playbook. Yeah, I'm bullish. Definitely bullish. Think we can take previous day high on ES. So let's drop down to the 15 and see how this formed. Okay, I don't like how this formed. Very shitty. Very shitty. But let's go to the 1 minute and see if we get a move lower or just instantly go up. Hit the goal is freedom. Yeah, bro, freedom. Oh, like financial, like freedom of doing whatever you want, buying whatever you want, going wherever you want. That kind of freedom. Freedom of choice. What's your reward percent when you win? How does this compare to your loss percent? How many trades can you take to stay profitable? On average, I'm aiming for a 2. Usually, when everything is nice and normal and I'm not on a loss streak, my win percentage is around 60. Some months it goes up to like 80, some months it goes down to like 40. So far in January, we've won like 2 trades and lost pretty much all of them. My reward percentage. So usually I'm averaging like 2 risk to reward. It depends. Like on a good month, it's good. You know, I don't have a consistent number. On a good month, it's pretty good. On a bad month, it's pretty bad. So I'm still working on that consistency aspect. This price action looks awful. I really couldn't touch this. 930's there. Took sell side reversal, man. Not clean whatsoever. January is typically a slowish month. Yeah, so I wouldn't want to touch this price action. 1030. Ooh, it's a 1030 breaker. We could take this seek and destroy model. So I could take this short as a valid seek and destroy. Man, stop would go here. Let's say we enter off the order block. Stops at the order block high. We can finesse out a 2 risk to reward here maybe. Maybe we wait for it to touch and then see. Yeah, good thing we waited. And we wouldn't have had anything. But if we get an inversion here, maybe we can take that. Take out buy side, CISD, about to take out buy side again, maybe. Yeah, I said no trade. Said no trade. Not gonna touch this. Oh, that's a really clean reversal of macro actually. But yeah, I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, good thing we didn't. Alright, next day. I'll do one more day. No trade on that day. Whoa. So our bullish, all our drawn liquidity was met. We're at all-time highs now. ES has a little room higher. So I'll probably still be a little bit bullish. You're winning with JPY Euro right now? Yeah, we're pretty up on Euro JPY. Did you include your TradeZeller code or link in your bio? Yep, it's in my bio. The code is GatieT10 if you want 10% off monthly. If you get the yearly plan, it's a little bit cheaper over the whole year. But obviously you have to pay upfront for the year. You can get 20% off for that. I personally do the monthly because I don't know. I guess in hindsight I should have done the yearly. Why no trade? Because deep premium. Let's see if I missed anything. I'm not gonna. Did we go to the 30-minute fair value gap? See, we just went sideways. Not interested in this. Why would I sit here and watch this when I can do the back test? This is Euro JPY. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Hopefully, we can get we could have got a lot better entry if I waited for a discount, but yeah, I mean, we could have. You also could have taken this inversion, which would have been slightly better risk to reward. No, this is still better risk to reward. So yeah, it's looking not bad as a trade for Euro JPY. I don't know, 240 pips. Isn't that a lot? 300 pip trade? Or wait, it's even more. 350 pip trade. That's a lot, right? Sounds like a lot. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, no trade today for me. Deep premium. All objectives were met. 350 pips. Yeah, that'd be nice, right? I think that'd be my biggest forex trade. I've caught in like 150 pips on USD JPY once. Swing trade, but this would be my highest. How long you need trading? What? How long I need trading? How long I've been trading? I started my journey 16 months ago. Okay, we're retracing. I like that. What are we retracing into? The hourly FEG. So let's mark out this level here. No trades today for me. I'm gonna backtest one more day and then I'm gonna head out. I'm looking for a CISD or a breaker. It's cleanest on the 5-minute, so I realize I have a problem with my psychology. I feel very bad. I don't have a trade. I want to trade every day, even there's no entries for me. Why? Why do you feel that way, brother? No CISD there, no trade. Nah, I didn't take anything, Qual. I walked away. And I don't think I'll be missing much. Okay, I like this long. This is a bullish breaker. We already swept sell side. Sell side again. You trade P&L. I mean, you trade the forever model? No, I have my own model that I'm happy with. And that's your OB as well. In terms of targets, probably look at the daily range. Be 50%. Damn, that's not the best risk to reward on this trade. We could, in hindsight, put the stop there. Covers the breaker and mean threshold of the OB. Yeah, not the best stop loss. What time is it? 9:53. I also don't have news here. So 1415 times 2 is 30. 30 times 6 is 180. So it's a 6 micro long. Buy limit. Put the buy limit on the breaker. A plus? No, it's not A plus, but I like the trade. So stop is gonna go to the breaker low. What the fuck? So we almost got stopped. Price respected the breaker, mean threshold. There's probably a fair value gap in there. Oh no, there isn't. I'd probably have to break even this though, because you know, and that's on me. I should have probably TP'd at 2R in this case because the price action is right there. I'll probably break even this trade and then just see what happens. Yeah, good thing we broke even. Did it play out? It's a good thing we broke even there. Yeah, I should have TP'd this. So look, I can immediately go to journal, trade notes, long, playbooks, add. This is my 930 reversal. This all occurred. And then we'll just fast forward and see if the bias was correct. Looks like it might have been. Yeah, see, the bias was correct. We ended up reaching out the buy side. So just journal that. Just journal that. Go back to the journal. Hit out the full reversal. So what could I have done better here? How many times your biggest losing streak? My biggest losing streak is 7. We're almost there. We're almost tied our biggest losing streak. Now I don't want to show this, but I'll tell you guys straight up. Let me check. Let me check. I mean that's a break even. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. That ain't right. Not interested in any longs. I'm not interested in trading today, guys. It's done. No trades today for me, guys. No trades for me today. Someone asked my biggest losing streak. My biggest losing streak prior to this was 7. I'm still in Euro JPY. I will be holding that for quite some time. Right now, I'm on a... See, that was 1 trade, 2, 3. So right now, we currently, like, it depends, like... Because we won a trade that was like $60, which doesn't really count as a win. Doesn't really count as a win. But if you're looking at like straight criteria, technically right now we're on a 5 losing streak. One of them was only minus $2. So I don't know if that counts. But in the grand scheme of things, like our winning trades were not even 1R. Like, so realistically, I haven't caught a win in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One of them was break even. Well, not 12, sorry, 11. So 11, 10. Include that 9. Like, that's a break even. So let's exclude those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. if you include the loss of minus 100. 7. So technically we're on a 7 losing streak. Well, technically it's only 4 losing streak, but really it's a 7 losing streak. Like in terms of good losses and like real losses and real wins. But the data will only say 4 losing streak because technically we won. It was just a very small win. Any advice for me? You need to reevaluate your strategy. Nope, that's not what I need to do. I need to trade it better. I need to be more patient. Um, things of that nature. Any advice when you're on a losing streak? Are you affected by the losing streak? What do you need? Depends. How's the losing streak affecting you? Me, the losing streak of me, it affects my confidence, makes me hesitant to click good trades, and then when I'm hesitant to click good trades, it kind of pushes me in the direction of taking any trade that's like, even if it's not the best. So what do? I backtest and I look at my data. I go back to my old trades. I go back to my data. I go back and backtest and I gain my confidence back. You trying to bottom take every single entry? Well, I never try and bottom take. What are you talking about? Anyways, brother, there's really no point in having this argument because I think I know a lot better. I've been journaling for a really long time. I know my model better than anyone else. I know my wins. I know my losses. Sometimes I analyze them good and analyze them good and end up trading the bad ones. Like because of your losing streak, you mean? You're taking bad trades because of losing. I did not take any trades today, Luke. If retail strategies prove to be more profitable as the concept, would you bite the bullet and change your strategy? I don't know how they would prove though. I've already done that. I've already went down that road, Jerp. You know. If I was to look for a trade, I would not look. I really would not look for a trade today. It's not clear to me at all. You know. I was initially looking for lower prices, but it didn't come. Yeah, it'll turn, Toffee. I'm not worried. If retail trading proved to be more profitable, then that's the thing. Like, I don't know who would prove that. I've already went down that road, Matthias, or sorry, Jerp. I've already went down that road. You know, it's strange. I'm kind of afraid of taking trades even when A plus set up, but then I trade the bad ones. 100%, bro. I feel you. You know, and a losing streak will do that to you. Don't talk with them haters. You're doing good. Appreciate you, Nico. Because of fear of missing out, that will get you. Fear of missing out will get you. What if NQ goes to 21954? Ah, man, I really am bullish at bears. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Like, I think price will eventually reach these levels. And I think eventually ES will take out all-time highs. That's a huge discipline point. That's a huge discipline point and respect for not getting into fear of missing out. I need to get like that. Same, you know? But listen, let me tell you something. Like, eventually you get to a point where, like, I just sit back and I'm like, hold on. Okay, let's say I have a fear of missing out today. Yep, I've seen the ICT Forex videos. Um, like let's say I have a fear of missing out today. I'm like, oh man, I want to be a part of this move. Sure, let's say I go and I take a trade and I lose or win, whatever. But you get to a certain point where you do that so many times and you just keep losing. And then you tell yourself, like, bro, at this point, I should have a fear of losing out. It should be called FOLO. Because every time I'm like, you know what? Let me just take this shit and I just lose, you know? Like, so you just gotta sit back and be like, you know what? If I take a trade today, I'm probably gonna lose. Yeah, no shit. In hindsight, you're gonna see it. You know when you take a trade and then you go back and you look at the market and you're like, bro, like it makes so much sense why I lost. It was a shit fucking trade, you know? Like it's a shit trade. You gotta see that in the future. You have to see that in the future. How do you know when you'll be taking a trade? When my model presents itself. I just follow the rules of my model. I don't do anything out of the ordinary. I just have a model. It's pretty much 4 rules. Obviously, there's some things I look at that are not written down in my model. For example, like market condition, premium and discount, economic calendar. Are you looking for reversal? No. I'm looking for breakfast. Second breakfast. How do you feel about the unicorn? Probably one of the strongest entries. The blue line is the daily rejection block. The higher blue line is the high, the daily high. The daily premium swing high. I can get a tip of the wick entry sometimes. It's not smart trading. Yeah, anyone can do that, bro. I can just click sell 100 times and eventually it'll be the high, bro. Like, there, bro. Look. Like doing this. Yeah, bro. I break even. That shit. And then you just fucking break even. I can do that 100 times. Doesn't make sense. Appreciate the talk, man. Hit different when someone else tells it instead of myself. I appreciate you, bro. No trades today. What do you think of turtle soup entries? Aggressive, but if you can master turtle soup, I think it's probably one of the best ways to trade. But I don't know if you can. It's really difficult to find consistent or like higher probability trades with turtle soup. Your model, but like, what do you wait until you're in a POI? And what are your POI? No specific POI. Depends on the model. Like, I'll always wait for some sort of liquidity or imbalance to be taken. No, I haven't watched it yet, Taffy. I'll watch it probably after this. Whoa or woo. Like, always needs to be some sort of liquidity or imbalance in play. That's for sure. What do you think about order block just after a fair value gap? I wouldn't think about just after. I would think about when it overlaps. That's when it's the nicest. When a fair value gap overlaps with the order block. What's your gender? Unicorn. I'm a unicorn. Please identify me correctly. You play chess? Yeah, I play chess here and there for fun. PM will deliver? Possibly. How do you know when higher low is protected after a sweep? Bias, drawn liquidity, time, and then obviously you can look at price, PD arrays, right? Premium and discount low. If you put in a discount low after sweeping out a previous discount low, and then you get displacement, and you're bullish, odds are that discount low is going to be safe. You can look at SMT for an extra confluence. For me, it's all about the opening price. If you ever traded DE40, I find it easy to read. Now, I don't know what that is. Probably won't go down that road. I'll probably watch it soon, Toffee. You see where you could be in a few years? I think it'd be very successful. I think so too, man, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm just here to follow my rules, see what happens. I'm not opposed to changing my rules ever, you know? But I would need to take a significant amount of trades because right now my data says follow the rules. Do I think my model is bad? Absolutely not. You know, taking so many trades. In fact, my model actually has a really high win rate. It really does have a really high win rate when the drawn liquidity is correct. So basically, what I'm saying is, well, obviously, when the drawn liquidity is correct, it's easier. But what I'm trying to say is, when your drawn liquidity is correct, when my drawn liquidity is correct, and the model criteria is formed, the win rate is very high. Like most times, 8 out of 10 times, sometimes 9. Like it's not gonna stop you out and then go in your favor. You know, like that's what I'm trying to say. When your drawn liquidity is wrecked, most of the time it goes. What if your model never forms? My model forms pretty much every day. Hope everyone in this live turns profitable. You got this, bros. Appreciate you, man. I agree. You know how many years almost ever you think you could be profitable to really profitable? I wouldn't even start thinking about numbers like that, bro. I did not take a trade today. What if your model never forms? My model or your model? My model forms all the time. Today it didn't form, actually. Today it did not form, and I'm definitely going to be journaling that for the Discord. So let's actually do that now and then We never took out liquidity. Unicorn, yeah, the unicorn. Unicorn's an entry model. I didn't take any trade today. I'm glad I did not take a trade today. I'm glad I did not pick a trade. I feel like the old me probably would have taken a trade. Did he really ask what's your gender? He has to be trolling. Someone sent him from TikTok, bro. No model today. Clarity 0. M1 chart. Team chart. Can you show the blue line on daily? How much would the TradeZella sub for backtest? Honestly, I have no idea. After my discount code, it might be like 40 a month, maybe. I think, yeah, maybe 40. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, I mean, there's also no news. Oh, that's the wrong one. So I'm just journaling this for my daily journal. This is the only journal I still use. And the only reason is because I want it separate from my actual journal. Because this is not something I do for me so much. So, for the most part, I'll be using TradeZella. Like this. This is our top set video. I almost don't want to show this. It's almost embarrassing. We'll show this one. It's a lot nicer. It's a lot nicer. CISD on NAS. I wouldn't trust any CISD personally. Just me. Doesn't mean you can't trade it, brother. It's all you. Trust your instinct always. Why don't you trade before New York Open, like 1 2 hours before too? Is a good chance your model still work. My model around all my entire model is surrounded by revolves around 9:30 opening price, so it wouldn't really work. What's the journal called? It's called Notion. If you want a free journaling software, Notion is good. Notion is really good. I used that pretty much my entire life until I had the money to buy TradeZella. Notion is good. How would you get ES on the screen with NQ and backtesting option TradeZella? Same way you would in TradingView. So when you're in backtest, this is ES, this is NQ. What's up, big? I didn't take any trades today, brother. Glad I didn't. Because if I did take a trade today, I would have broken rules. And can't you journal normal days on TradeZella? Yeah, I could do that. I could do that in TradeZella. You could very easily and probably a lot better. They actually give you a template for it. The only reason I'm not is because nice trades bringing us back. The only reason I'm not is because I want it separate from TradeZilla. Like I have a separate one for TradeZilla. Any reason for no trade today? For me personally, very deep premium. I was bullish. I wanted to see sell side taken before looking for longs. We did not take any sell side. We didn't get any retracement, in matter of fact. So I'm not interested in longing premium. I don't want to chase it higher. You know, I don't want to buy above old highs. So we won't be doing that. Euro JPY, man. Let's go. Let's get TP. Let's get it end of week. 190 pips. We moved 190 pips. Yeah, we can get that in 2 days. Do you guys think TP? I don't know. It looks pretty good to me. I don't want to get too antsy, but it looks pretty good to me. Euro USD. I think we can maybe move higher. Yeah, one more trade till I blow the funded. Follow your rules, and I hope it works out. That's the only thing you should be doing. You're gonna see bullish now. I wouldn't say bullish now, but I would wait for a swing trade long from the monthly fair value gap. Ba, 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 ba. 350 a good place to look for long. Yeah, it's not a bad place. Maybe lunch or PM can deliver that move. I would look for a discount. So mark out your morning session range. Look for a discount. Can you make me understand liquidity more? My video can make you understand liquidity more. But I will not do that because I'm going to go make breakfast. Second breakfast. So I appreciate everyone coming through. I have a video that talks about liquidity if you want to watch it. It's probably as good as I can get in terms of liquidity in one video. So well, I got is NQ on both screens when I try to when the just freezes. What you need to do, Sean, is it's because you need to go to layouts. Look, I'll show you what it is. It's on YouTube, brother. YouTube. And it's called How I Use Liquidity in My Trading. When you go to Sean, when you go to this to turn it on, where it says symbol, you don't want that on, okay? Because then it'll sync. If I'm not mistaken, it'll sync the symbol that you're trading. You don't want that. So turn that off. I think the rest of it should be good, bro. If not, you can message me on Discord. I'm gonna head out. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live tomorrow. Hopefully the losing streak can end tomorrow. See if we can catch a dub. Appreciate everyone coming through.